I know you're tempted to just get a bag of chips or something sweet at the convenience store if you're going to the beach or the pool, but I invite you to try this $12 very healthy charcuterie, and I got it from the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. So take a few minutes to go inside the Dollar Tree and see what healthy options you might want. I got some bagel chips. I got these hot and spicy pickles. They were delicious. I got the crunch of the bagel chips, the spiciness of the pickles, and with a little bit of sour. And then I got these corn nuts. Now, this is an old school snack that I hadn't seen in a long time, and they were nice and crunchy and spicy as well. I got a little craisins here to give me something sweet and chewy. Yum, yum, yum. Then I got some pretzel chips, which will go great with something I'm going to put on later. And next, I got some walnuts because a little fiber is always good, right? These freeze-dried fruits really shocked me. They were yummy. I love the banana and the berries. They kind of melted in my mouth, but with a little bit of crunch too, which was nice. If you're like me and you need a little gummy, try these vegan gummies from the Dollar Tree. They are really good, and I get them in all flavors. So this is what I have so far, but I'm not completely done. I'm going to add a little potato chips. I know that's not particularly healthy, but hey, you need a little something. It's better than having a giant, giant bag, right? So I snapped my lid onto my charcuterie board that I got online, and this is all the things that I have. And I'm taking that to the car, and we're going to take it on down to the beach. And this board kept everything in place the whole way. So I rode in the car, then I went on the beach. I moved around a little bit, and all of my snacks stayed in place with this charcuterie board. So I recommend you pick one up because it makes things so much easier. And we had a nice, healthy day on the beach with this Dollar Tree charcuterie. I would say not too bad. Maybe I would add a little more fresh fruit from my fridge, but not too bad for the Dollar Tree. Are you going to give it a try? Let me know and enjoy your summer days on the pool and the beach, in the park, and wherever you are, the concerts. Take a little healthy charcuterie with you. You will thank yourself.
You almost need some dip.
I know. I wanted some hummus.